This is to answer Miss Marjorie's question. Sabi po niya is, paano po lagyan ng laman ang My Meralco app at saan? First of all, I'd like to clarify that My Meralco app is not a wallet. It's not the same with GCash, Maya, Shopee, or Lazada. Na like, if you want a product, pwede kang maglagay doon sa wallet and then yun yung ipangbabayad mo para mabili mo yung product na yun. My Meralco app is used mainly for viewing and paying your bills. So, pag inopen mo yung My Meralco app, you can view your actual bill na naka-soft copy lang siya. Hindi mo na kailangan makuha yung letter mismo kasi minsan late po yun siya dumadating. Next is, My Meralco app is used for reporting outages. Number 3 is this app is used to inquire, request, and give feedback. So, pwede mo silang kausapin via email or talk to them about your concerns. Number 4, you can use this to apply new services. All you have to do is submit the form online. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa mismong Meralco. And lastly, this app can help you get help via appliance calculator. Ito makalculate yung energy consumption mo, how much ba yung nagagamit ng gadget nyo sa bahay. So, yun lang guys. I hope this video helps. If you like this kind of content, please do like and follow.